Hello and welcome to the third installment of our morning announcements with Pilly. And I say we start with what everyone's talking about, Peyton.
These mysterious 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 posters all around the school have everybody talking about them. Nobody really knows what they are, but we did interview some staff and students to find their theories on what they thought they were.
I think it's something about a game. It's referring to the type of game we're going to be doing sometime.
I think it's just the secrets of numbers that someone put around school to get people thinking about something that probably is useless, honestly.
I heard it has something to do with the CIA.
I think that it's part of a psychology experiment to see the students' reaction towards the number.
Well, it all revolves around the 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, and 2 plus 4 is 6, and 2 plus 5 is 7.
Let's go to Gavin for more information on the weather and Hurricane Matthew.
Hello, I'm Gavin, and I'm doing the weather. If you haven't noticed already, not much changes with the weather from week to week. Sometimes it rains, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes there are clouds, sometimes there isn't. However, this week we have big news in the weather community. With only 2 months remaining in hurricane season, we have Hurricane Matthew causing major destruction and havoc as it comes through Cuba, Haiti, Jamaica, and the Bahamas. Matthew is estimating to be a Category 4 and once was a Category 5 when it hits Florida, which has caused the state, as well as those north of Florida on the coast, to be evacuated. The storm officially hit last night and will continue to move up the coast, hopefully getting less and less destructive the north it travels. It is also going to turn around and hit Haiti and all those other places where it hit before again. This could be the worst storm to hit the U.S. in many years. Certain areas could be affected as much as were affected by Hurricane Katrina. Due to the hurricane, this coming week is going to be pretty confusing because it's a hurricane and it rains. So, we might get rain here and there, although we might not. So, I really don't know how this week is going to go. Although, for this week, it's supposed to be sunny, range from 68 to 79 degrees. Also, for the stress forecast, it's still showing calm temperatures across the board at Heritage Hills. We have 2 more weeks until midterm. I'm scared. We are forecasting that next week's stress levels will begin to rise very quickly as the final week before midterm arrives. This is Gavin. I'm doing the weather. Goodbye.
Thank you, Gavin, for that great information about the weather.
Thank you.
And now here's Mackenzie telling us about the results from all of our sports this past week.
Last week's football matchup between Southridge and our own Heritage Hills Patriots unfortunately ended in defeat with a score of 29-17. The JV played Southridge on Monday night, winning 24-0. Tonight, our boys take on Forest Park. Kickoff is at 7 p.m. Good luck, Patriots. The first round of cross-country tournaments happened this past Saturday at Gibson Southern. The runners will compete again tomorrow at VUJC. Congrats to Noah Huffnagel and Mitchell Ho for making PAC All-Conference team after having an outstanding season. Also, congratulations to our boys tennis team for making it to regionals. Unfortunately, they were defeated 5-0 against Castle on Tuesday. Girls soccer beat Christian Academy on Tuesday in sectionals 3-1 in the first round. The girls played last night against North Harrison in the semifinals and won. The girls soccer finals are tomorrow at Northeast DuBois. Boys soccer played Wednesday in semifinals against South Spencer and won 3-2. The boys soccer finals are tomorrow here at Heritage Hills. Our varsity football team beat Southridge on Tuesday 3-0 and JV 2-0. The Heritage Hills Volleyball Invitational is also tomorrow here at the high school. Good luck tonight and tomorrow to all of our athletes.
Thank you, Mackenzie.
Thank you, Peyton.
Even though the football players were met with defeat at the Southridge game this past Friday,
They certainly won our hearts by reading to the Lincoln Trail kindergartners this past Monday. Here's some snapshots.
And this has been the third installment of your morning announcements. Now this is Pilly signing off.